Crude oil showed a sharp reversal from the resistance level. We have mentioned 80.2 levels as a greater resistance, though we were looking forward to a breakout. But the resistance on the upside played out very well. It has failed to stay beyond 80.2 and showed a good reversal. But at the same time, we can see it is yet to break below the support levels here towards 78.6. Now, what to expect? Can we expect oil to drop below this zone? Can we expect this journey for oil to continue where it has been trading in this sideways box, or it is going to give a breakout? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session and before the data releases. Thus, do what that do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment, which is a great motivation and support. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into oil. Now, see, one thing I mentioned here earlier yesterday. See, this is the top of the trend in which it was trading. It has breached this trend here, but also one must notice another point we have observed here is, see, the highs here, the lows here, and it has breached this support. Now the moving averages are also getting convergent and are willing to cross over. This is the second part to it. Third is drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. Now it can try to achieve the lows of this, but I can also see a support coming into picture here. Thus, for the day, 78.4, 78.6 zone is going to play an important role in deciding the further move for oil. Right now, I can see lower highs, lower lows, and thus on the upside now, 79.4 levels are also going to play a major role. Now, this is a broader picture here. Let's have a further look. Stochastic is oversold here. The MACD is trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped here, coming to 2. Likewise, on the 2-hour chart, see, one important factor on the 2-hour charts is the resistance here at 79.3, 79.4 zone. You can see this very stronger resistance is seen here. Thus, you have to be extremely careful today for trading oil in between this zone, that is 79.2, 79.4. Now, at the same time, on the downside, look at the support levels here. You can see this. This is the greater support zone, and thus this complete box is going to remain a zone for observation for us, so that we can find out the direction in which it is going to trade. RSI or stochastic is looking down. The MACD has taken a crossover here. It is trading with divergence, staying bearish. Yesterday I mentioned that a good rise is seen here. A crossover can lead to slight bearishness. RSI has dropped. Coming to 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, another way to look at it is here, the rise, the retracement here. And see, now it is trying to rise here. It is trying to trade in this bullish channel. And that is why also the level here at 78.4, 78.6 is very critical for crude oil for the day. As long as this and then 77.8. Only bearishness in crude oil today is below 77.8 levels. I have shared this yesterday. I am again saying this today, that only bearishness is below 77.8. See, moving averages have started to converge. It has crossed over, and thus it is also providing a very good support to crude oil. The stochastic looking trying to trade bearish. The MACD has also crossed over here, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI has also dropped, signs of bearishness here. Coming to 4-hour. On the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation here. It is trying to stay in the box here, trying to take the support. A V-shaped is formed. We have to wait for a breakout either which ways. We have got our resistance at support intact. Moving averages crossing over here. This is a good sign for the bulls. The stochastic hitting the bottom. Look at MACD. This has crossed over here at the top, and it suggests that it can try to retrace a little, and on the downside it needs to break this in order to stay bearish, else it is still a retracement. Retracing, it can bounce back. Now tomorrow is the day when the inventories will be out. Possibly till tomorrow it can try to trade bearish. It can try to pull this MACD down, and then tomorrow with the inventory data it can rise. This is one possibility you cannot ignore. RSI dropping sharp here. Coming to day. Before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 31st mentorship batch starting soon. Register yourself now. In this mentorship batch, I am going to share all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups which we have curated with our years of experience to all of you, so that you can all identify the profitable trades and trends with these, and you can trade profitably. Do not miss to join this learning journey. Reach out to me for details. Else, you can be part of my signals channel where we trade diverse instruments, including indices and commodities and metals as well. So do join the signals channel. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for your queries related to the services. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, with global presence, which offers a swap free account with the lowest spreads. Yes, in crude oil, if you're getting a lowest spread with your broker, then nothing like that, because you can save much of your capital. And as imagine 20 cents of move here in crude oil, how much impact does it has? Thus, the lower the spread, the more profit you're making, and that is why check up with your broker and save your capital by joining this broker. Do and it offers a SAP free account as well. So all the links are there in the channel and video description. Now coming to the day. On the daily charts, moving averages crossed over here, trading with divergence, staying bearish, higher highs are seen here. Now see this, you can find out a flat bottom is seen here. I have shared this several times yesterday. I am going to share this today as well. And that is where I can say 77.8, 77.3 levels. Two very important support levels exist for crude oil on the down. Second is it is try to give higher highs here. This time it has breached $80 levels. That is the critical resistance it has breached. And see, this is also the resistance because 20 and 50 period moving averages are now sitting here and crossing over. Stochastic is overbought here. The MACD, look at MACD, it is crossed over at the bottom and trading with little divergence. This indicates that possibly oil might show a up move from here. RSI is comfortable. So now, as I shared, 77.8, 77.3, this is the zone where we have maximum support for crude oil, and thus it should not break this. Now, considering this, let me give you the trading levels and strategy. See, one thing is very clear, 79.4 is the level beyond which only we can expect that the crude oil is a good buy. But right now it is staying at 78.9, so half a dollar move from the current levels. If you want to risk a little, you can buy here at 79.2, 79.3 levels itself, but ideally it should be 79.4, which it needs to break. Beyond this, you can look forward to $80 levels again, 80, 80.2 first resistance zone. Then ideally I will be looking at 81 and plus levels. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend 78.6 levels. If you see oil trading below 78.6, you can sell here. 78.3, 78.4 first target zone, first support level, rather 78.2, 78.4 first support levels, 77.8, 77.9 the second one, and then 77.3, 77.4. If these three levels are taken, then you can say now oil is going to crash heavily, else it is still not bearish. Remember, once it comes out of this zone, once it comes out of this consolidation, it is going to lead to a stronger fall as well. So a breakout either which ways is going to be stronger, and as long as it stays within the zone, you have to be trading with caution. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join our mentorship by 10 Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do watch the next update before the US session. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you in few hours from now before the US session.